Clarification. June 3, 2020 by Anna von Reitz. We are not issuing nor authorizing any call to arms. I have explained the mission of the Peacekeeping Task Force succinctly and for the record. Evaluate, train, coordinate. I have also made it clear that people who want to live as undeclared persons and live under rocks and eat dirt out in the woods as some kind of outlaw brigade can't be part of our Assembly Militia. Only members of the State Assembly can participate. We are here to educate everyone about the proper exercise of arms and community public safety, so everyone is invited to public meetings about these topics, including the federales if they want to come. That said, we are not here in any unofficial capacity. This is the actual government of this country and it must be respected as such. In return for that respect, we don't do any snake-eyed, behind-the-bushes stuff, and we don't mean to make our organizational efforts sound like emergencies. We didn't declare any emergency related to the COVID-19 mess and we are not declaring any emergency related to the riots now. We are simply seeing the urgent need to proceed with the evaluation, training, and coordination of our citizenry and community resources. The actions taking place in cities where riots have erupted are addressed to people who are 99% identified as and standing as foreign territorial and municipal citizens. Therefore, the territorial and municipal governments are stuck addressing the situation and protecting us from a lot of angry and ignorant Americans who are fed up with their government. In keeping with what I have been trying to teach all of you for months about staying in your own lane, they are responsible for their riots, including the damage that their riots cause to our infrastructure and our people. Remember, this is your government. We are responsible for protection of our state nationals and state citizens, those who have declared their birthright political status and who have returned to the land and soil and who are owed their constitutional guarantees. The essence and mission of our Peacekeeping Task Force is, and I repeat, to 1. Evaluate, 2. Train, and 3. Coordinate our sheriffs, our Assembly Militias and our Continental Marshals to prevent crimes in our jurisdiction and protect our people and their assets. This is about, and for, those people who declare their birthright political status as Americans and who join their state assemblies. That's why it's called a State Assembly Militia. It operates under the authority of the State Assembly and is composed of state citizens and is not any kind of unorganized militia. Links to Anna's articles and resources can be found in the video description box. If you enjoy having Anna's latest articles made into videos, please consider making a purchase from Ed's website sacredintuitiveelements.com. Thank you.